don't think it came out that bad. Hi, and welcome back. Tonight we're getting out here at my lunch break. I was gonna shoot last night, but it's too cold to paint, and this morning I had frost on the ground, so it was really too cold to paint now. There's about mid to upper 50s, maybe lower 60s at best. So I think it's warm enough to paint. That's all I got planned on doing today. But I am gonna talk about what I'm gonna do with a couple projects after we get the painting done. I think there'll be a little bit of changes coming, hopefully for the best, but we'll get to that later. Anyways, let's head over there and kind of show you what we're gonna do. Well, my goal today is to clean and paint this, clean off this and paint this whole section down here, and then let that dry. And then the fun part, clean this all off and paint it with that self-etching green over there. I think we have enough cans of it, hopefully. I didn't check, but I think we got enough to get at least one coat on. And we're gonna finally paint this through here. Give these a little more time to try to unfreeze. But hopefully by the end of the day, this will all be green. But set you up there and we'll get to work. Well, we got it done. I think it looks okay. I mean, there's imperfections and I got runs and I think some tiger striping too, but I don't think it came out that bad. You can see where all of our flaws are. Can't really tell, but looks like the black's dry. I think it came out decent. You get this area like this color. Anyways, tailgate done. All right, now let's talk about 2 projects that we have that maybe doing something with. Come to the realization that I have one too many projects circling, so I'm gonna keep International, Bronco, of course the Camaro. I'll try to keep the Healy as long as I can because I think that'd be a fun car to drive. So that means the GMC 65 short wide is gonna be up for sale, and the 50 Chevrolet will be up for sale as well. If y'all are interested, shoot me an email. You can find my email on my about page on the my YouTube channel. I'll have these posted locally, hopefully next couple of days, but gonna use the money I get from them to first put in this truck. I think I'm gonna change the diesel out for a straight 6, 292 straight 6, and one of those crate engine, one of those about $2,000 or so. But I think it'd be a lot easier to put in, get my steering figured out, and have the radiator that's meant for a 6-cylinder here as well. So I have everything here to change it to a 6-cylinder, and I think it'd be a lot easier. And I'm not gonna use this to haul, like tow anything. It's just gonna be mainly a fun driver. But anyways, cats are fighting down there. Hold on a minute. Anyways, make it a fun driver. That being said, any money left over after we get this truck going, we'll go towards the Bronco. So I like to get that going. And 2, if I get rid of both those trucks, there might be a big surprise for the Bronco, which may change my whole process on the Bronco as it is. But I don't want to get into that right now. Just need to sell those 2, then we'll talk about that later. But that's the plan. I mean, if y'all like those, I mean, you've seen them before, shoot me an email, discuss it. Like I said, they'll be posted locally here in the next few days. But with that being said, I mean, that's all I got for you today. Next time I'll probably jump back to the tub of the Bronco and get that all sanded down. Not looking forward to that. Kills my back and knees, but need to get it done. Anyways, hope y'all have a nice weekend, and I'll see you next time.